Hi everyone, I'm Louise. I work in land management at the Avon Wildlife Trust and I'm out at our Folly Farm Nature Reserve in the Chew Valley. It's an absolutely glorious evening and I'm going to take you on a little bit of a walk around the reserve. The farm's a mixture of woodland and grassland. We've got triple SI woodland, triple SI grassland, and then we've got some scrubby fields which are great for birds and all the sort of species associated with that. And I'm currently standing in Folly Wood, so I'll just take you for a bit of a walk and show you around. Being a haven for wildlife, Folly Farm is a really important site for our learning team. They have lots of school groups out here for residentials and day trips, and they have bushcraft sites and they have dipping ponds, and it's just a really wonderful place for young people to come out and experience the natural world and learn a lot while they're here. So I'm up the top of the site now, which is partly made up of 3 really wonderful hay meadows, just absolutely teeming with insects. You can probably hear grasshoppers striating in the background, and it's just butterflies flying around everywhere. Part of what keeps these meadows looking so lovely is quite a unique plant called yellow rattle. Some of you will probably know it. You can just see the end of the flower here, this yellow flower, and you can probably hear where it gets its name from, the rattling of the seeds. And it's a semi-parasitic plant that reduces the dominance of grasses and allows wildflowers to thrive. As you can see here, a sea of knapweed, oxeye daisies, all sorts of other lovely species. Right at the top of the sort of amphitheatre that shapes Folly Farm, you can see right over to Chew Valley Lake there and the Mendip Ridge. And that woodland over there is our triple SI woodland called Dowlings Wood, which a few months ago was absolutely full of bluebells. It's well worth a visit earlier in this sort of early summer, late spring. There are some really wonderful old trees on this site, like this oak tree I'm just walking up to now. One of the limbs has split off and is now sitting on the ground, but that is just providing even more different niches for wildlife to inhabit. So as you might have noticed, there's quite a lot of steep, uneven terrain at Folly Farm, which is not very easy for some livestock to negotiate. So as part of our grazing regime here, we have 4 Exmoor ponies who we brought onto the site from the Moorland Mousey Trust based down on Exmoor. And they have absolutely no problem with the hills and the unevenness, and it does get very wet here in winter as well. And they do a really good job of moving through the landscape. And I'm hoping we might be able to find them. Here they are, sensibly hiding in the shade on this extremely hot June evening. And there they go. I'm going to head into the woods again now, to the main badger set at Folly Farm, and see if we're very, very lucky. We might spot some of the residents emerging. That's all from me for now. Thanks for joining me on my evening stroll around Folly Farm Nature Reserve. I hope you've enjoyed the tour.